Students, today we are going to discuss topic fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The statement of this theorem is every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime and this factorization is unique apart from the order in which the prime factor occur. Composite number means one or more prime numbers. Okay, HCF of one important formula, HCF of AB into LCM of AB equal to product of A and B. HCF of A and B into LCM of AB equal to product of A and B. Next, let's do two based on this problem. First one is find the product of prime number of 120. Find the product of prime number of 120. Factorization of 120 is first 2 table 6 2s are 12 0. Next 2 table 3 2s are 6 0. Again 2 table 1 2s are 2, remainder 1 10, 5 2s are 10. Next 3 table 5. So 120 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay, 2 3 times are there, so 2 cube into 3 into 5. One or more prime numbers are composite number. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number. Okay, next sum. Find the LCM and HCF of their pair of integers 26 and 91. Next, and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Okay, find the LCM and HCF of the pair of integers 26 and 91 and verify that LCM and HCF equal to product of two numbers. First factorize 26. 26 2 table 26 2 table 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. That's all. So 26 equal to 2 into 13. Same 91 equal to 7 into 13. 7 table. So 13 7s are 91. HCF equal to highest common factor. Highest common factor both are 13 only common. So HCF is 13. LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 13. 2 into 7 into 13. Both are 13 is common. So 13 into 2 into 7. 2 into 7 into 13 equal to 182. Okay. Next. So LCM and HCF equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers means 26 and 91. 26 and 91. Okay. 26 and 91, 2366. 2366. Now HCF into LCM. HCF into LCM. HCF 13, LCM 182. So 13 into 182, 2366. 2366. Our formula HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. HCM of AB into LCM of AB equal to product of two numbers. Otherwise product of A and B. Thus proved. Tomorrow let's meet one different type of